So, to test out the Geekvape Aegis Max, I didn't just want to do some obscene random things like take it up in a drone and see how high it can fall before it breaks, all that. I wanted to do realistic things. So I thought some most common ways for people to break the devices, be it a vape or a phone. And obviously the most simple one is water. You drop it in mock buckets, you drop it in a pond, so you get pushed into a pool with it in your pocket, drop it down a toilet, any of that sort of stuff. So that's what I went with. I went with a nice simple water test. Then I thought, well, what's next thing? And I thought, well, if someone spills a beer in a pub, that can break your phone. So we'll try that. I know it's only the same as water, but we tried it out with beer. Next up, someone came to my shop over a year, friend, and she said, I just brought a mod, you'll never guess how. How? Well, I dropped it in a bucket of paint. So obviously my next thing was to get a bucket of paint, chuck it in there, saturate it. Now on this, I actually kept the tank on. I took the coil out because I didn't want to waste the coil. Obviously you can't use the coil after it's been in paint. So I took the coil out and put it back in after. Now, we all know that the Aegis can withstand being thrown at a wall, but how often do we throw as mods at a wall? So, I thought, what actual strength tests can we do for this? And something that most of us have done before, left something on the roof of his car, strapping kids in or putting shopping in, whatever, put someone on top of a car, get in, drive off, gone forever. So I thought, cracking, so I left it on top of a car and drove off. But then I thought, well, what happens if you come back, you don't see your mod on the floor, and you drive over it? So that's what I did. I drove over it, front tyre went over it, back tyre went over it, back tyre went back over it again, then back tyre stopped on the top of it. Now, if you want to know what state of mod's in right now, you need to come back on Tuesday to see the review. I will tell you that